Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. In today's video I will show you how to insert combs in Philips nose, ear and eyebrow trimmer. This is series NT3650. So you can see over here how does it look. Okay, so it comes with two combs. Okay, one is large and the other one is small. So the large is 5 mm. So this is the large comb. So you can see over here how does it look like. Okay, so this is the large comb. Okay, and it's also written over here L, so you can easily know that this is the large one. And then we have the small comb. So this is the small comb. Okay, this is 3 mm. So this is the small comb. Okay, so how you can insert it. Okay, so you see this trimmer over here, it has a small gap over here. You can see like a curve shape gap. Okay, and then there is an extra part on this comb. Okay, so you don't have to remove this part from the trimmer. You just have to simply insert the trimmer over the top. You just have to insert this comb over the top. So what you can do is, you see this gap and this part, you have to just combine them. Okay, like this. Okay, so you can simply insert it over the top. Okay, like this, and then just push it inside. Okay, just push it downward, and then you will hit a sound of click. So you can see over here, now it is ready to use. Okay, you see this comb over the top. Okay, so now you can simply turn it on. Okay, so you can see this is how it works. Now if you want to use it for the eyebrows, you have to move it from outside towards the inside. I will also show you in the picture. So you have to use it like this. You can see over here, you have to move it from outside towards inside. Okay, so you can see this arrow is going inside, so you have to move this comb. Okay, you have to move this comb towards inside, from outside towards inside. Okay, for your eyebrows trimming. And if you want to remove it, you have to just go over here on this part and just push it upward. Okay, so just move it like this. Okay, like that, and it comes easily out. Okay, so now this is how it works. For the second comb, which is the small one, okay, this is 3 mm comb, you can see. And same method we will use. You see there is extra part over here, and then there is a gap over here. Okay, so just simply make it like this. Okay, so you can see I'm putting it like that. Okay, and then simply you can insert it. So now this is also ready to use, and you have to also move it from outside towards inside. Okay, against your hair growth, for your eyebrows trimming. So guys, these combs are just for the eyebrows. You don't have to use this comb for nose or ear. For nose and ear, you just have to use this part only. And it is a double-sided it has double-sided blade, and it has a protection system as well, so it does not cause any harm to your skin. So even if I turn it on, you see it does not cause any harm. So this is how you can use this Philips NT3000 series for nose, ear and eyebrow trimmer. Okay guys, and it gives you a very good grip because it has a texture over here. Okay, so even if it is a wet, you can still use it. It does not slip from your hand. And you can also wash it after using. While you are washing, you can just turn it on and off. Okay, so it will completely wash everything. So guys, this is for today's video. I hope you like the video. I hope you enjoy the video. So please do subscribe to my channel guys. Thank you very much.